Have you ever heard of a man who preached for 950 years and still only a handful believed in him? This is not mythology. This is the true story of Prophet Nuh and his people as told in the Quran. A story of patience, warning, rejection, and ultimately divine justice. Prophet Nuh, A.S., was sent by Allah to guide his people who had fallen into idol worship and moral corruption. He called them day and night, in public and in private, urging them to return to the worship of one God. But what was their response? Arrogance, mockery, and stubbornness. Nuh, A.S., said to them, "Worship Allah, you have no deity other than Him. Will you not fear Him?" Surah Al-Araf 59. But they said, "We see you as nothing but a man like us. Why shall we follow you when the lowliest among us believe in you?" They closed their ears, covered themselves, and walked away. Despite this, Nuh, A.S., remained patient for nearly a millennium, 950 years. He pleaded with tears, warned of a painful punishment, and offered hope of forgiveness. But only a few, just a small group, believed. Then came the command from Allah. Nuh, A.S., was told to build an ark, a massive ship, on dry land. His people laughed and mocked him. "Are you building a boat in the middle of the desert?" They didn't know that their destruction was near. Then the skies opened, and the earth burst with water. So he opened the gates of the sky with pouring water and caused the earth to gush forth with springs. Surah Al-Qamar 11-12. Water came from every direction, above and below. The flood engulfed the disbelievers. Only those on the ark were saved. Even Nuh's own son refused to board. He said, "I will take refuge on a mountain." Nuh, A.S., cried out, "O my son, come aboard with us." But the waves came between them, and he drowned. When the flood ended, the ark rested on Mount Judy. A new beginning emerged from the believers who were saved. Nuh, A.S., made dua. "My Lord, forgive me, my parents, and whoever enters my house as a believer." Surah Nuh 28. And so ends the story of the nation that was warned but ignored the truth. The story of Nuh, A.S., is more than a flood. It is a reminder that truth doesn't depend on majority and patience has limits. The Quran teaches us, "Indeed, we sent Nuh to his people, but they denied him, so we saved him and those with him in the ship and drowned the others." Surah Al-Araf 64. Will we learn from their fate or repeat their mistakes?